So today I'm going to tell you how you can give your introduction impressively. So whenever we introduce ourselves, so make sure first should be your name, like
My name is Yash.
yes, correct. So whenever you mention your name, either you would say my name is Yash or I am Yash, but you would never ever say this is Yash or this is this person. So the second point that you need to remember is second would be your location, whatever location you come from.
I live in Delhi.
Yes, correct. And the third one that you need to mention is your qualification. Whatever qualification you have, you need to mention it like
Regarding my educational qualification, I am a student of 7th class.
correct. The most important part that you need to add in your introduction is your hobby. So it would be like,
My hobby is playing football.
alright, so this person has got only one hobby. If you have more than one hobby, so you can also mention it if you want. So you can also add more things in it like your work experience or any experience you have. You can also add your family members, but if you keep it like this, that is also going to be impressive.